1st November 2020, evening time, and I'm here at the Maurice Nagar police station. On the way, Delhi police vehicle 7396 which stands there. The Delhi police vehicle is standing over there in a organized state-sponsored terrorism. Narendra Modi has resorted to a reign of terror and plunder by murdering thousands of innocent persons in an organized state-sponsored terrorism. And the way the vehicle is plotted over there, the vehicle number is 7396. It is going to run away. This vehicle is plotted over there with malified intentions. And here comes the vehicle, and here I record, and the vehicle is running away, and I have to run to record it with malified intentions. The vehicle is running away. It's 7396. The police vehicle is 7396. It's running away. This is a state-sponsored murder by Narendra Modi and his Election Commission of India. See the vehicle which is running away. Narendra Modi and his. The time right now is around between 8 to 9 p.m. And see the vehicle which is running away. It's running away. Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India are murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. It's 1st November 2020 and I'm a gazetted officer in the government of India. Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India are murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption with the help of police, NIA and intelligence agencies. Narendra Modi has institutionalized a reign of terror and plunder in this nation by murdering innocent people. Thousands of people have been murdered as an organized state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi. I had to run away to catch the vehicle, and the vehicle was running away. Thousands of such videos have been made by me and uploaded on YouTube regarding the conspiracy of Delhi police to murder me in an organized state-sponsored conspiracy. It's 1st November 2020. Time now is around 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. See the police men are again deployed over there. It's an organized state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India. And I stand here again. The time now is Maurice Nagar police station is there. And it's an organized state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi to murder me just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. The government of India is murdering me for raising corruption issues as a whistleblower. Everywhere where I am being tortured by the government of India. And these things are also happening at the directions of Election Commission of India. I reside here at this address, E3132, room number 15, first floor, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi. And see the persons who are being plotted there as malified intentions. I have already complained against these persons, and these persons are being plotted by the Delhi police, by intelligence agencies in an organized state-sponsored terrorism. See the intentions with people are being plotted everywhere with malified intentions. I see the CCTV camera is deployed over there, and the people are posing in a very derogatory manner. It's a seamless state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India and the National Investigating Agency to murder me just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. What kind of behavior is being shown by Delhi police? It's a shameless murder of a whistleblower. I had to run to catch the vehicle. The vehicle was running away. And there are certain persons which are being plotted everywhere which have been paid by Narendra Modi to actually spy on me. I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India, and the Government of India led by Narendra Modi is murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. There have been persons plotted everywhere to spy on me, and these persons have been paid and plotted to report. My murder is being carried under the aegis of Honorable Supreme Court and the National Human Rights Commission. The National Human Rights Commission says that murder is, I reside at this address, A3132, room number 15, first floor, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University for the past 14 years. I'm residing here at this address. This is Christian Colony. I'm residing at this address for the past 14 years, and I have uploaded several videos on YouTube to prove how some persons have been plotted and have been paid by the government to, and I had caught this vehicle red-handed. I reside at this address, A3132, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi, India 110007. And Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India are murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. And the SPG's plus security being provided to me by Delhi police, by intelligence agencies, is clearly visible in these YouTube videos which I have uploaded. My state-sponsored murder is happening under the aegis of the Honorable Supreme Court and National Human Rights Commission. Supreme Court says murder is service matters. It's not a breach of constitutional and fundamental rights. And National Human Rights Commission says that murder is not a violation of human rights. Narendra Modi is a murderer. Narendra Modi has murdered thousands of innocent persons in an organized, state-sponsored conspiracy during the past 10 to 12 months. This includes murder of two union ministers, Ram Vilas Paswan and Suresh Angadi, two Uttar Pradesh ministers, Chetan Chauhan and Kamla Rani, two Bihar ministers, Vinod Kumar Singh and Kamath, and one Tamil Nadu minister, Durai Swami. 5 members of parliament have been murdered in the last 1 month or so. One former president, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, was murdered. Two Uttar Pradesh ministers, two Bihar ministers, 11 MLAs, and several dignitaries have been murdered. For the first time, doctors have been employed to murder innocent people. And I'm Ravi, a gazetted officer in Election Commission of India, and the Government of India is killing me slowly by injecting slow poisons in my body, by inflicting tortures on me, by carrying out inhuman atrocities against me, and they have also inserted a Tesla microchip Neuralink in my brain, and they have made Interpol and the International Intelligence Agency a part of it. They have made 25 to 30 Bollywood movies on me and 25 to 30 Hollywood movies on me. And everything which is being shown on television is a comic misrepresentation of whatever is happening with me. It's a shameless state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi, National Investigation Agency, Election Commission of India, Delhi Police, and IB and RAW to kill me, just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. Narendra Modi has murdered thousands of people in the last 10 months, and he has even threatened or silenced opposition political parties, some opposition political parties and media channels to actually propagate fake and paid news. And the Supreme Court does not hear to me for even 10 seconds, and they try to anyhow close this matter. And the National Human Rights Commission, even without visiting me, is saying that murder is not a violation of human rights. If anything happens to me, Narendra Modi, Election Commission of India, National Investigating Agency, Delhi Police, Intelligence Bureau, RAW, and the neighbors who are residing at this building on the first floor would be responsible. And for my murder, for the conspiracy to kill me. It's an organized state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi to kill me. And they are injecting slow poisons in my body. They are injecting slow poisons and mixing slow poisons in my food to damage my lungs, liver, and multiple organs. They have already given me pandemic injections. They are committing inhuman atrocities against me, and they are inflicting tortures on me. And I reside at this address, E3132, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi, 110007. And I'm a gazetted officer working in documentation section. My name is Ravi. I'm working in documentation section of Election Commission of India as a gazetted officer. And just for raising corruption issues as a whistleblower, the government of India got me followed in several countries of the world. They tortured me, and they injected me and infected me with pandemic injections, and they are killing me slowly and secretly, and they are plotting certain persons to talk to me. One of them was visible, against whom I had already complained. Narendra Modi is a murderer. Narendra Modi is a thief. He has murdered thousands of innocent persons in an organized state-sponsored conspiracy. Earlier also he had murdered 2,000 to 3,000 persons in 2002 Gujarat riots, for which he had earned the nickname of Butcher of Gujarat. And now he has become the Butcher of India. He has murdered thousands of innocent persons in an organized state-sponsored conspiracy. And the opposition parties, some opposition parties and the media channels have been threatened or silenced by the government of India. For the first time, the services of doctors have been utilized by the government of India to kill innocent people whose deaths are being depicted as suicides, accidental deaths due to COVID or deaths due to other reason. Even Sushant Singh Rajput and Delhi riots was murdered by the government of India-based intelligence agency, the Police and Crime Branch, the NIA, the IB and RAW. And even the Delhi riots and Bangalore riots, everything which happened was state-sponsored. And the flight crash also, everything which is happening in this nation in the contemporary scenario is a state-sponsored terrorism led by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and National Investigating Agency, IB and RAW, and the police. Today is 1st November 2020. Time is around 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. evening time. And the way things have happened today, the way government is providing me a security greater than the Prime Minister of India, itself proves everything. Narendra Modi is a murderer. Narendra Modi is a thief. Thank you.